You guys ready? Scene one? You guys ready in the back?
Well, you know what, Linda? If we do that, then if you take them, I can pick them up and bring them here.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh,
Is the lighting okay?
think so.
Talking robot stuff. Hello? Hello, your package is here. I didn't order your package. It says it's from, oh wait, not authorized to be this information. You can read it yourself, so can you sign here? Sign. Yeah. And your game is here. Huh. That's cool. Bad packaging. Alright. Finally. And this box. Oh. Okay. That's right. Alert! A monster has escaped from the box. Hello! Who are you? We have this Gucci. Can we have my money? No. Die. I'm going to repeat that. What's this? Table? No. Yeah, we need a better upgrade for this. Yeah. Card.
Sound effect?
Now that you have earned some real money for your first battle, I will sell you a few items. This is not for sale until the 8th day of the week. Okay. I want to see these items. I don't want to buy anything. So the audience can see.
Yeah, the audience can see.
I don't want to buy anything. Please, you go away. Hey, come forward. I have a wife and a family. Don't care. Please. Yeah.
Remember, you're the hero, Zeke.
Alert! Another evil has escaped from the box.
I am King Worm. I have given many people my disease.
I need to carry you somehow. Yeah? No. Eat the flour. That's kind of good. Yeah. Okay, are you sure? Okay.
Thank you for curing me. That these have better me for so long it made me turn age. Goodbye.
Bye. King Worm.
Sound effect?
2, 3. Alert! Last evil has escaped from the wall. Ouch. I'm okay. I'm okay. All you need is a helmet right now. Oh, this is dangerous. It's fine. No man shall enter my land. What if I say I'm not a man? I'm a. That could be very creepy. I'm a. Do not enter. I'm a human.
Ah! Ha! Ha! Here, I can fight. Take arm with hands. Take your arm slicing. I can fight with no hands. You fight with no legs. Chop. Yes. Chop. It will be hard now. Why? Sorry. Why? Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So, here's hope. I am hope and I will release hope and happiness into the world. Yay!
They use it again.
Yeah! Woohoo! Okay, that's done. And the loading sign. That's done. Nobody needs loading.
Then everybody should come up front and bow or something.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, kids, you know.
Oh, wait, let's do like the arm thing. Hey guys, everyone. Sure, we're not. And then. Okay.
Thank you.
Wait,
Very good.